Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. Imagine if I introed like that. Guys, we are back, and oh, it feels so good to be doing these kinds of videos. It really does. But as you can see in my hand, we have the integrated engineering dongle. I am updating my computer to support this this new update, and this update's a big one. It is not really tune related. The tunes I think are going to remain the same. I don't know if they've updated those, but the real kind of meat and potatoes, the reason behind this video, and probably the title of this video, pertains to the new mobile tuning. Thank God. All of you guys are probably wondering about this, and quite frankly, I was too. They never really indicated that this was going to be something that was really ever going to come to fruition. All like the big competitors, they all have this. And finally, IE jumped on board the old mobile tuning train, and yeah, they have it. So I'm gonna definitely check this thing out. I know I have to update, I think, the firmware on this by, again, introducing the laptop, but I think after this and maybe for some occasional firmware updates, I'm done with the laptop. Thank God. I don't like using the laptop. It's not fun because, again, I have to use the Wi-Fi from this house. It's not so great in the garage. It's, you know, it can be tough depending on obviously the situation. So I'm sick of flashing with this laptop right here. It's not very fun for me, and I'm very excited to start doing it and doing data logs on my phone. But without further ado, let's get this thing going. All right, so I'm all wired up, all plugged up. I am under the impression that the firmware is hopefully all, you know, all good to go. I'm just gonna kind of click through some of this to see if everything looks kind of like it should. Again, very familiar interface. This is soon to be on the old cell phone. I mean, I think I've done everything I need to do. The camera level is not in my favor. But anyway, we found the app. It's called IE POWERlink. We'll double click to install Face ID. Good. And kind of just clicking through it. This is sort of the interface. If you've seen some of the adverts for it, you know, it's all kind of what you'd expect. But the cool thing, this is what I'm most excited for. Obviously, I can check my codes on the go. Sweet. Obviously, I don't need a laptop, blah, blah, blah. No cords. Sweet. But most importantly, and I can tune on the go, blah, blah, blah. I can run real-time logs. Thank God. I could do that with a laptop, but again, it's so counterintuitive with a cord that wraps over my arm. It doesn't work. Does not work at all. Dude, that downloaded mad quick. Scan for device. Scanning. IE POWERlink V4. Do I need the V4? Won't we find out? I think this is the V4. It might be V. I'm gonna jump in the car for this. I'm just gonna sit down. I'm a lazy bones. Is this it? See? I don't know. Continue. Oh, do I have to hit check? I have to check all these. See these boxes? It gives you a little checklist to kind of rip through. Phone battery at 20% or more. Check. I actually don't know, but I'm very certain that's the case. 6 feet near the POWERlink device. Check. Car hood must remain open while the update is installing. What update? Don't know. Connect the POWERlink. Check. Ignition, please turn on. Check. Dude, this is so cool. This is like the interface that I have on the old laptop. These are all the things that I have. I'm on my 93 octane, so if I'm not gonna like flash it. You guys kind of get the idea, because the last thing I want to do is turn off my Crackle tune, right? A lot of you guys love it. Engine, no codes, good to know. Transmission, no codes. Dark mode. They already have dark mode. Look at that. I think that's way nicer. Dark mode is way cool. And this is how I'm gonna drive. It's pretty safe. Actually, there we go. That is the forever home of this. Yeah, cool. Which one do I want to do? Which one has boost? High pressure, yeah. We'll do this one. I don't know how to like. Does the screen do the orientation thing? That would be gnarly. Can I? Nope. Yo, IE, I got a little idea for you guys. This would be sweet, be a game changer. Otherwise, all right, that's most definitely gonna go flying. But let's see how she do. pretty cool. So I think for the tuning, I don't think the car can be on for the mobile tuning. You guys, I know a lot of people are probably just like, why did I not do my research before making this video? Well, I'll tell you why. I think a lot of you guys are gonna approach this thing just like I am, and it's so brand new that I just wanted to give you guys sort of like a quick interpretation as to what this is like kind of from a rookie. I've never used this type of stuff before. IE didn't really give me any instruction other than, you know, it's released today, so that's all I know. And it's awesome. It's pretty sweet. You know, I wish there was a safe way to hold my phone and kind of not have it go flying, but. All right, so in conclusion, this is pretty freaking sweet. It's a huge game changer for this brand, and I think it's honestly gonna really help stand out from a lot of these other tuners. Again, this type of stuff, this information, again, I feel like the data logs are probably my favorite. Obviously, there's so many other things I'm super happy about. Again, flashing on the go, I think that's one of the biggest things and probably one of the biggest reasons why they released this in the first place. But for me, I think this is way cool. It's super easy to of course install, and it connects right up. Really no hesitation at all. I was honestly surprised myself. So you know, again, I think this is really gonna you know, a huge step in the right direction for IE, and you know, just another reason for you guys to really kind of consider, either if you're not IE already, switch over and kind of give these guys a shot, because they have some pretty gnarly tunes. So so yeah, I think that really covers it for this video, but definitely consider checking this thing out. It's pretty sweet. If you guys obviously, if you already have IE, if you're IE tuned, if your dongle I think is like V3 or V4, I'm pretty sure it's V4 only. I don't even know which one I freaking have, but obviously this one works. You know, highly recommend getting the update. You have to update the firmware through your PC, and then for, you know, until they have the next firmware update, I'm sure whenever that will be, you might need to keep, you know, updating that, whether if it's monthly, bi-monthly, whenever they have those firmware updates. But this is freaking sweet, and it's something you guys should certainly check out. So I think we'll wrap the video up there. If you guys have any questions or anything that you think I can answer, and really, you know, preface that, if you think I can answer it, definitely leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, check out IE, check out their website. I'll link it in the description below. They definitely have a tutorial on this. This video is certainly not a tutorial. It's just sort of my impressions, and this thing just came out today. So, so pretty cool. But stay tuned for some more videos, guys. We have some pretty good stuff in the pipeline, and I'll keep you guys posted on the next one. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace.